We're kind of now on the verge of going from a rain to a wintry mess here, especially as we head into a late this evening and overnight. Here is your winter storm timing. Now, we are currently actually sitting at 39 at DFW, so I've got the down arrow there. We're going to continue to fall into the upper 30s late this afternoon, probably reaching around 34 or so by 9, 10 o'clock tonight. So there could be some icy spots developing mainly on elevated road surfaces to the north and west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area this evening. Most of us will be safe until we get a little closer to midnight. Freezing rain and sleet then Saturday morning. Temperatures at that point in the upper 20s, and we will continue to fall steadily through the afternoon into Sunday morning. I think we're going to see heavy sleet late Saturday afternoon, continuing right through Saturday night, and it could end in some snow in parts of the area. We'll talk about that in more detail here in just a second. Let's take a look at this. It's our winter weather alerts, and you can see just how much of the country is under either an ice storm warning or a winter storm warning, from Texas all the way up into northern New England, even North Georgia and the Carolinas. So I've adjusted these times a little bit from yesterday. After 7 p.m. from roughly Highway 380 north and out west, we could start seeing a few icy spots develop. Also, I've adjusted this temperature here after 10 p.m. for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, just based on the current trends of temperatures falling very quickly, and after 3 a.m. down to our south and southeast. You can see the slug of moisture continuing to come at us from the west and southwest. It's 68 at San Antonio right now, while it's 10 in Amarillo. Closer look shows that it is still all in liquid form here across North Texas, but you also notice that Graham now has slipped down to 31 degrees, 27 at Wichita Falls. And initially, the first ice that you start to see develop will be on, let's say, your rooftop of your car in some of the trees. The roadways retain heat, and so it takes at least a couple of hours for those road surfaces to cool down sufficiently until we start to see ice. Look at the temperatures to our north: 5 below in Chicago right now, 9 below in the Twin Cities, and northerly winds are tapping into that Arctic air, and so temperatures are going to come spiraling downward. So here's Futurecast. This is rain still all across the Metroplex at 6 p.m., but this is our freezing line pretty much, where you're seeing these pink colors, and that freezing line slips southward as we head through tonight at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. At that point in time, it's mainly freezing rain mixed with some sleet. We'll head towards midday. Same story there. We may catch a little bit of a break, meaning it'll be more on and off again for a time in the afternoon, but then that main area of low pressure comes our way, and that'll mean widespread heavier sleet late Saturday afternoon right through Saturday night. Wouldn't even surprise me if we hear rumbles of thunder while this is going on. And then the blue colors represent some snow. There could be a brief changeover to snow overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. Even here in the Metroplex, we could see a light snow accumulation on top of the ice. Speaking of ice accumulations, in general, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch from Dallas and Fort Worth north and west. 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch to our south and east, and there could be some areas, especially heading out into the Canton area, Athens, Palestine, that see in excess of 3/4 of an inch of ice. Once you get above 1/2 inch, that's when power outages become much more likely. These are total sleet and snow accumulations, 3 to 5 inches. Most of this is going to be sleet with a little snow on top of it. 2 to 3 inches, mostly sleet here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, ending with a little light coating perhaps of some snow. 1 to 2 inches then of mainly sleet as you head down towards Stephenville, Cleburne, Waxahachie, and maybe up to an inch of sleet in far southern portions of the area, where this leans a lot more towards freezing rain. Here's your 7-day forecast. 28 tomorrow, but falling all the way down into the teens Sunday morning. Sunday's high 20 with some morning snow. Monday afternoon, we get up to 29 after a morning low of 9 degrees. Bitterly cold once again Monday night. Tuesday is when we finally see temperatures crack the freezing mark, and really it stays very chilly.